Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are all doing great and I hope you had a nice and good weekend. And this is Umar with you, and I always say that we option sellers eat like chicken and shit like elephant, and shit happened today, right? So today was mid cap nifty expiry and it was terrible. And just to give you a perspective, had you done a mid cap nifty expiry, you would have collected a straddle. Had you put a straddle, strangle is even worse. Had you put a strangle, you would have collected a combined premium of around maybe 60-70 points. But in 10 minutes mid cap moved more than 100 points. That is a pretty, before even you can think what can be done, it has already done the damage. And let me show you the screen so that you can understand what I'm trying to say, right? So this is not a chart, and this is mid cap nifty chart, and look at this candle. So this 5 minutes candle alone made a drop of around 70 points. Then this candle, second candle, made a drop of around maybe 40 or 50 points. So total together 100 plus points. You are collecting a premium of how much? 60 or 70 points in a straddle. And this is what happens when you do expiry day trades, right? So yesterday was a webinar. Many people was asking how to trade, and in fact before telling how you can make money, I was telling how you will lose money in expiry day trades. And let me show you the screen as well, our screen as well, PNL MTM screen as well, so that you can understand. So today alone, if you can see this chart, today alone we made a loss of around 1,25,580 rupees, right? Now you might think what is going to happen, that this nothing to worry. Maybe another 2 or 3 days we should recover this, all whatever we have lost. See, this is, losses are inevitable. You have to understand that losses are inevitable and it is part and parcel of trading. If someone, I've been saying this and I have told this many times, if someone is saying that I have never made loss in trading, then he is just bluffing, or he is manipulating, or he is kind of exaggerating things in trading. That's what I would say. So not only me, any big, even big traders, if you are in Twitter, you can go and see yourself. Even big traders have lost money because you don't see stop losses don't work in this kind of market situation. A single candle making, or a 10 minutes candle making, or a 15 minutes candle making 150 points move in mid cap, which is not as big as Banknifty or Sensex, then you tend to make losses. There is nothing wrong in that, right? And today India VIX was very high, volatility was very high, and gamma effect also kicked in. So all combined together made the damage. That 11:15 alone, that 11:15 candle alone made the biggest damage. If it was not that 11:15 candle, we would have made good money, or even if that had retraced to a little bit, we would have made good money, or we would have recovered loss. Let me tell you, this 1,25,000 is not the peak. At the peak of our loss, we were sitting in a loss of around 1.7k. So we were able to, after we squared off the trade, after, let's say, as per your language, after the stop loss was hit, we exited, we entered again, then we were able to recover around 45,000 loss, or let's say 40,000 loss, right? So we are back to square. January series, 5 days has gone. Today is the 6th day. So whatever we have earned in the 5 days, we have lost today, right? So doesn't mean we are going to lose going forward. We will try to recover. That's what I am trying to say, right? See, you can lose money, but if you lose confidence, then you are not eligible to be a good trader. That's what I want to say to you all, right? And talking about the markets, I have been saying that the markets are likely to come down, and that is what is happening. Whether it is Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, everything is almost flat or almost in the red. Not only the US market, even the European markets are in the red. And I think these kind of jerks, or these kind of knee-jerk reactions, or these kind of profit booking, will happen only either at the top or at the bottom. So that is what is happening. Let me show you an example. I have been saying this, that if you see in a daily chart of Nifty or Bank Nifty, there was a heavy divergence, and I have been saying that the market is likely to touch 21,000, and hopefully tomorrow we will touch, who knows, below, Nifty will go below 21,500 towards 21,200 and so on and so forth. And this divergence have worked. So I told, if this divergence is active, and if this divergence has to be inactive, it has to move at least above 21,800, which is all time high, and which is not happening. We are seeing loss of momentum, and eventually market is coming on the downside. And Bank Nifty, if you see, there is a divergence, same divergence, and we can see that 47,000, we are almost below 47,500. Maybe we will see 47,000, 21,000 in Bank Nifty, 21,500 in Nifty, and 47,000 in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty around 47,000 or below, even 46,500 is a very, very strong support. And 21,500 was a support today. That is where, if you see the Nifty chart, let me go to the Nifty chart and let me change this to a 5 minutes time frame so you can understand what is happening. So low was almost around 21,494. It came below 21,500 and it retraced. So we will see what happens tomorrow. If we are gapping down tomorrow, maybe we will gap down below 21,500, and in terms of Bank Nifty, we will maybe gap down below. Already I think we have Bank Nifty has closed below 47,500. So we'll see how things work out. And in terms of Sensex, not only Bank Nifty or Nifty, all the Sensex. So if you can see in this chart, on your on the screen, on your right hand side, you can see there is not a single index which is in the green. Almost all the indices in the green. Bank Nifty is at around 700 points low. Then Nifty Financial, I think this is Nifty Financial, right? Sorry, Nifty FMCG, Nifty Mid Cap. So everything is in red. So how do you expect, when all the markets are in red, all the markets are in panic, how do you expect a trader to be in profit, right? So that's not fair, right? So we'll see how things work out. I'm still saying that still the market will correct and will go on the forward. We don't see any FII institutional buying in both DAs and FIIs are, I think they are net buyers, but they have bought very, very less quantity. As of today, 8th of January, FIIs have bought for around 16 crores and DAs have bought for 155 crores. So let us see if there is any positive news. Really, there is any positive news. If the market is able to have some momentum, then we might go on the other opposite higher side. If there is no positive news, the probability of the market going on the downside is very, very high. So in terms of Nifty, 21,000 is very, very crucial. It is very, very crucial support. And in terms of Bank Nifty, 47,000, I think, 47,000 is a very, very crucial. Let me go to the Bank Nifty chart. Around 47,000 is very, very crucial, and we expect somewhere around 46,500. So be careful, be cautious. India VIX alone jumped today around 6.57%. So it's time to be cautious on the downside because market may make a two-way, three-way move like what happened today. So this is what I was saying all these days. So we'll see how things pan out. For now, I'll sign off. I'll see you in yet another video. Till then, take care. Bye.